This is the three-step method by which divorce lawyers take a small problem and escalate into a destroyed marriage. In India, if there is a dispute, the wife, for a few days goes off to her parents' house. Here, there will either be a lawyer or a law student relative, or there will be a relative who has a lawyer friend. And this person says, why not get an understanding of your legal rights? And this is where the saga starts. The first thing that the lawyer will say is that to get the husband on the negotiation table, let's go and file a criminal complaint against them. The lawyer says that when you file this complaint before the police station, the police will not automatically register an FIR, nor will the husband or his family members be automatically arrested because of this. The matter will only go to the crime against women cell from the local police station. And it is there that the crime against women cell will call both parties for an amicable handling of the situation. Now, once the wife client of the lawyer now agrees to drafting of this complaint, she doesn't understand to what extent the allegations will be there. And when she sees the first draft of the allegations against the husband and his family members, it is full of concoctions and exaggerations on most days. Divorce lawyers have to explain this to the wife client that if I don't do this, and if things do not in the later stages, if there is no resolution, anticipatory bail for the husband and his family members will be very easy because of the not so severe allegations. If you want to have a husband go to jail maybe, or to at least have the fear of going to jail, or if you have to, if you want the husband to fear having to pay maintenance, or maybe say a residence order against him, you need to have strong enough allegations. And this is step 2, where the wife is, without her willingness in entirety, consenting to drafting and filing of a complaint against the husband and his family members. And step 3 is when the husband is finally called to the crime against women cell to face negotiations and this amicable settlement. And on the first and the second and the third date, the husbands are amply threatened, intimidated by the CAW officers. And around that point of time, when the wife goes back and discusses with her lawyer and explains that the husband was terrified, the lawyer then tells her that it is far better for you to now go for a divorce and claim a huge amount of money, because when your husband reads the allegations that you have put against him and his family members, it will be very difficult for the two of you to continue this marital relationship. It is at this stage that the wife feels very, very helpless and agrees to pushing for a settlement through a divorce rather than going back home to her husband.